Babylon, the legendary city of Mesopotamia, rose to prominence over 4,000 years ago along the fertile banks of the Euphrates River in modern-day Iraq. Its name, meaning Gate of the Gods, reflects its significance as a cultural, political, and religious hub of the ancient world. By the 18th century BC, under King Hammurabi, Babylon became the capital of a vast empire. Hammurabi's famous Code of Laws, one of the earliest written legal systems, established Babylon as a beacon of order and governance. But it was centuries later, during the reign of Nebuchadnezzar II in the 6th century BC, that Babylon reached its golden age. Nebuchadnezzar transformed the city into a marvel of the ancient world. The Ishtar Gate, adorned with vivid blue tiles and golden animal reliefs, welcomed visitors to a metropolis of immense wealth and grandeur. Towering above the city was the ziggurat known as the Etemenanki, believed by some to be the inspiration for the biblical Tower of Babel. And then, of course, there were the fabled Hanging Gardens, a masterpiece of engineering and beauty, said to have been built to please his queen. Despite its splendor, Babylon faced conquest and decline. In 539 BC, it fell to the Persian Empire under Cyrus the Great, marking the end of its independence. Yet, Babylon's legacy endures as a symbol of human ingenuity, law and culture, a city that still inspires awe and wonder thousands of years later.